If you want to see the most expensive and luxurious houses in the world, then this video is totally for you. There are many expensive homes all over the world, but today we are going to talk about top 10 most expensive houses in the world. You will be shocked after knowing their values and luxurious things. Welcome to the Facts World. Before going to the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for upcoming interesting videos. So, let's begin. Number 10. 220 Central Park South Penthouse in New York. Billionaire Ken Griffin made history when he purchased the 24,000 square foot 79-story penthouse in New York Central Park for $238 million, making it in the most expensive home sold in the US. It's also known for its luxurious amenities, which include a spa, an athletic club, private dining and entertaining facilities, and a private motor court. Number 9. 4 Fairfield Pond, Sagaponack, New York. RRN's massive house sits on 63 acres of beachfront property in the Hamptons. The 62,000 square foot mansion has 29 bedrooms, 39 bathrooms, and an expensive 91-foot dining room. The property is also home to all kinds of luxurious spaces, such as a basketball court, a bowling alley, squash courts, tennis courts, 3 swimming pools, and a garage that can hold up to 100 cars. Its estimated value is around $248 million. Number 8. Mesa Vista Ranch, Eastern Texas Panhandle. Mesa Vista Ranch contains 65,000 acres. This property is located in Roberts County, in the Eastern Texas Panhandle. No other ranch can replicate T. Boone Pickens' Mesa Vista Ranch. He has spent nearly 50 years transforming this Texas Panhandle ranch into a wildlife paradise. Its estimated value is around $250 million. Number 7. The Odeon Tower Penthouse, Monaco. The 35,000 square foot apartment at the top of the Tour Odeon. Its estimated value is around $330 million. It spans several floors and comes with its own private elevator. The private luxury doesn't stop there. A water slide coming from an upper floor into an infinity pool. Number 6. Les Palais Boulis, Theoly-sur-Mer, France. It built between 1975 to 1989. The Bubble Place features a series of round rooms overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. It comprises a reception hall, panoramic lounge, 50-seat open-air amphitheater, 10 bedrooms, various swimming pools and waterfalls in extensive landscape grounds. Its estimated value is around $390 million. Number 5. Villa Les Cedres. In 5th place, we have another French home, purchased by King Leopold II. This home is located in Saint-Jean, Cape Ferrat, and it's worth around $410 million. The home was built on 35 acres of gardens. The home has 14 bedrooms, a stable big enough to fit 50 horses, and a massive sized swimming pool. And you will find a library that hosts 3,000 books. So now, number 4. Utenhurst. It was built in the early 20th century. This mansion is the second largest residence in London. There are 65 rooms, including 25 bedrooms. This house has been used as a filming location for large and small screen productions, including The Lost Prince, Tipping the Velvet, and Fame Academy. Its estimated value is around $450 million. So number 3. Villa Leopolda. It's owned by Lily Safra, widow of Lebanese-born Brazilian banker Edmond Safra. This mansion occupies 50 acres worth of land, has 11 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, helipad, commercial greenhouse, an outdoor kitchen and incredible swimming pool. Estimated value of this mansion is $750 million. Number 2. Antilla, Mumbai. If you are wondering where India's richest man lives, he resides at the second most expensive house in the world. Antila is worth around $1 to $2 billion, and the owner is Mukesh Ambani, an Indian billionaire. This building is located in Mumbai's Khambala Hill in the middle of the city. The home has a very modern design and no two rooms look like the same. Antila is more like a resort. The house has a 50-seat movie theater, 3 helipads, a health spa, a ballroom, a saloon, an ice cream room, and a yoga studio, and also a car service center within the home. So now, number 1, Buckingham Palace, London. At $2.9 billion, Buckingham Palace is the most expensive home in the world, and Queen Elizabeth II currently lives here. There is a reason this palace comes with such a huge price tag. The palace is a whopping 828,000 square feet. It has 775 rooms, 78 bathrooms, 19 staterooms, and 92 offices. Even the garden is 40 acres in size. You can find these places in Westminster, London, and it's the perfect photo op for London tourists.